Hi everyone, just giving you a quick tour of the current setup in my kitchen today. We've got the Compak 8A8 coffee grinder, automatic dosing coffee grinder. It's got the pre-dose timed settings, so we do one push gives one shot, two pushes give two shots. Set that up at about 13.7 seconds per shot for a double shot for this machine. It's currently using the 23 degrees coffee beans there from Brazil. Fantastic fresh coffee provided for us to use today. It does give those dark chocolate flavours through. Current setup is the VBM Domobar Super, which is a fantastic machine. It's an older machine for me. Had it for a little while. It's got the steam wand on this side, the E61 group head, the hot water tap just on this side. We'll go through that in greater detail in another video. We use a Pullman tamper. It's been a great tamper that I've had for about 8 to 10 years. One of the first ones that Pullman brought out. Very nice tampers. We have a knock box. You can see in the back there a little group handle. Second tamper. You need to understand the difference between a flat tamper, which is this one, the Pullman. We also have the Barista Basic curved tamper, which I don't really prefer, but I've got one there, just a triple shot basket and a naked portafilter. And that's the current setup. Like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy and want to see some more videos. Let us know. Cheers.